Hi traders, it's Alberto. This is the tutorial for Pro Traders Workshop and Price Action video series. Today's lesson is on Turnaround Tuesday. Very simple. What we want to do is take a trade in the opposite direction of Monday. So we're looking at Euro Yen. Market sold off on Monday, and we need to look for some sort of candlestick pattern. Stochastics indicator needs to be oversold. We had a nice divergence on the 1 hour chart as well. Notice down here. And there's a hammer. During the Asian session, the market rallied, came back down to the support, and then in the New York session, it took off. So that was a successful trade. Still in this one, we had several pairs. I'll show you a trade that did not work out. I made a mistake and did not wait for the trade to qualify, and that was the USD CAD. Got into it early and got stopped out. And there it was. There's the sell-off on Monday, right there. And it continued on Tuesday through the Asian session and then did not turn around till the New York session. So that was one mistake that I made. I should have waited for the market to find support and take the trade, and I didn't do that. That was a loss. Again, let's go back to the Euro Yen. We're looking for price going in the opposite direction of Monday. And targets, usually I wait till stochastics indicators up to 80 to exit the trade, or a previous resistance level. Like on Monday, we had a resistance level up at these levels at 121, and that would be the target. Okay, let me look at some of the pairs that worked out nicely. There we go. Aussie dollar. The market rallied during the Asian session. It continued until 11 o'clock Eastern. I'm sorry, about 10 o'clock Eastern. So that was the trade. It hit our target up around stochastics. Notice was overbought, so we would be exiting that trade. We took the trade down here. Stochastic was oversold. We had a nice rally, broke the central pivot point, and we took profit when price was up. Stochastics indicator was above the 80 line. Let's look at the history of the trades that were taken. There were a few losers, but that was not based on the only one here. Here it is, the USD Canadian pair. This is the one that I did not wait to qualify in. Ended up having a 45 pip loss. This loss here was not based on Turnaround Tuesday. This was just a trade I took, and I ended up getting stopped out. So overall, we had a very successful day, for the exception of USD CAD. Over almost 300 pips on this day. Well, minus the losses, that would be less. Okay. There's another trade set up on the pound dollar. Again, we have to qualify the trade, so the first thing I look for, overbought, oversold, stochastics indicator. And there was a trade to take at a previous resistance level from Monday's resistance level, and that was a nice candlestick pattern, a nice evening star, and the target was down at the support. So we took that trade and exited at the support. There were quite a few. Here is the other one. Since then it's completely turned around, but here's Monday's rally, and there's Tuesday, Turnaround Tuesday's retracement, and we would have exited. We exited down at the support level. Okay. It was a good trade that we took. Stochastics was oversold. Coming into the Asian session, we qualified this trade, and this pair rallied, put in about 67 pips. And of course, we exited at a previous resistance level or if stochastics was overbought. There you go, right there. USD Swiss and Euro Dollar were two good trade setups. Here was the rally on Monday, and there's the retracement on Tuesday, and we exited at a previous support level. And that was complete. Now it's turning in the direction of the overall trend. That's something with Euro USD. Well, the market sold off on Monday, right here. Here's the Monday sell-off. And here's turnaround Tuesday. And then retested R1, the support level, or rather resistance levels. So we exited up at these levels and the market turned around. Usually I like to exit these trades before the New York session, unless the market has not put in its retracement, and then I wait for the New York session for that to happen. But usually between the Asian and European session, the market should retrace before it resumes its trend. And the market on the Euro Dollar has been in a downtrend for the past few weeks. So this retracement will be short-lived. So you need to exit this trade once you're in profit. And I exited when stochastics indicator was all the way up to 80. Couple of other trades. That one, we exited this trade. This was not the best trade setup. I think we made like 10 pips off this trade. Market sold off on Friday, rallied on Monday, but not much of a rally. So the turnaround Tuesday would have been about the same. So have we noticed that the daily range on Monday was 62 pips, coming into Tuesday was about the same. So I didn't expect this to sell off that much. You always have to use Monday as your point of reference. So if this put in over 200 pips, then you should be able to get 100 pips to the downside on turnaround Tuesday. Okay. And I think here was one. This was a good trade. See the rally on Monday, put in 91 pips, and then the retracement was about the same. Okay. And again, looking for overbought stochastics indicator and exiting when stochastics indicator is oversold. Okay. So I think, I'm not sure if we had any more trades. I think the euro, yeah, here we had the euro yen. I think I went over this. Yes, that was the first one I went over. So that's it, guys. That's the Turnaround Tuesday strategy. If you have any questions, if you need more explanation, you could always contact me. Have a good trading week, and thanks for watching.